Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Filter. First, locate the filter icon in your application's toolbar. Clicking this icon will open the Easy Filter panel, revealing various filtering options. You'll see categories like date range and status. Select your desired criteria, then click Apply to instantly refine your data. It's designed for quick and efficient data management. Now, let's explore advanced filtering. You can combine multiple criteria, such as a specific date range and a project status, to narrow down your results. Use operators like contains or does not contain for more precise text searches. Once you've created a complex filter, save it as a preset for future use, saving you valuable time. Managing your filters is straightforward. To modify an active filter, simply reopen the Easy Filter panel and adjust the settings. You can clear all applied filters at once by clicking the Clear All button, returning to your original data view. Remember, filters are applied sequentially, so the order in which you add them can sometimes affect the final results. To maximize your efficiency with Easy Filter, consider these best practices. Regularly review your saved filters to ensure they remain relevant to your current needs. Explore available keyboard shortcuts to quickly open and apply filters without using your mouse. Finally, use the insights gained from filtered data to make more informed decisions and improve your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.